There is one thing that's hard to translate, and that is the wood smoke. Because some foods, it has no effect. And other foods, it definitely imparts a flavor.
I think about corn and how seminal that is in the flavors that you've been bringing forth and touching base with through history, and how corn plus wood smoke is like 15 times more than the sum of its parts.
Right.
Yeah. Whereas a simple fish or something like heat, heat is just heat in that sense.
A shad or eel or wild turkey.
Right.
In those environments, it's totally different.
Yeah.
Also pumpkin.
Yeah.
So it's really, and also the seasons, I think you feel the seasons a lot more when you have to deal with the temperature that's there. I mean, none of the spaces that I cook in are temperature monitored. It's whatever is going on outside.
Right, right.
And the heat of that hearth, that's it.